Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. These are student MANOHARI. She got placed in a company. Now she is going to share experience about PySpiders.
I have joined PySpiders in the month of June and in the year 2024 where I was joined through incubation program. I have joined for Python full stack development, which has helped me in the improving the technical and soft skills. The technical skills that improved were on Python, SQL, web technology and Django classes. The Python was handled by Keshav sir and SQL class was handled by Murali sir. Django class was handled by Alex sir, and the web technology class was handled by Uma Shankar sir. The Python classes and grooming have helped me in improving my programming skills. The grooming sections which I attended improved me in the interview point of view, whereas in normal classes helped me in depth knowledge of Python, whereas grooming has helped for the interview point of view. The classes which were handled by sirs were very intellectual, which helped me in improving my skills. The classes were handled very helpful, which was very good for me to give any interviews. I have cracked this interview.
Okay. Tell me, how bootcamp were helpful for your improve your technical knowledge?
So bootcamp has helped me to come out of fear which I was having, to fear and improving my communication skills and to talk to the person, contact to the person, and improving my confidence. It has helped me. I am very thankful to all the trainers and HR team which helped me to crack the interview.
Okay, I wish all the best for her career, further career.
Thank you, sir.